French fries are sliced, light fingered potato fried chips that are often eaten at lunch or dinner. It is usually salted and can be eaten with ketchups, vinegar, mayonnaise, or even tomato sauce. And today I will be showing you a yum, spicy and most addictive way by which you can enjoy these French fries if you continue watching this video. Hello, I am Chinedu Vincent. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to Salopest Kitchen. In today's episode, you'll be learning how to make French fries, how to retain fries color, hot and cold blanching, as well as making spicy granulated yagi sauce. Why not hit the red subscribers button before you? Because in this lesson you'll be deriving whole lots of value. So let's quickly start by placing 3 peanut pringles in a plate. This pringle is commonly called kwuli here in Nigeria. You can use dry peanut butter as an alternative. Then add about 5 deseeded grain of Selim, known as Oda, with about 10 to 20 African black seed, commonly called Oziza. The grain of Selim, the seeding process was quite a simple one, in the sense that it was placed in a hot boiling water for about 10 minutes and then was gently pressed to remove. Then add about half teaspoon of Ghana pepper. The hot, high, spicy and flavoring attribute of this pepper is the reason why you will constantly catch me using it. Also add about 26 seeds of an alligator pepper. You can also use this alligator pepper in place of natural pepper if you don't eat pepper at all. Then back up your action by adding some little cuts of dry ginger alongside with 5 seeds of African nutmeg. Can imagine the whole lot of health benefit that should be derived after consuming this my nice spicy yagi sauce with my potato chips. Add about half teaspoon of curry powder just to brighten up the color a bit. And you can now place in a blender and grind to combine. Or alternatively, use your mortar and pestle to crush it into tiny particles. Don't forget to sieve if you are using the local crushing method. Our granulated yagi sauce powder is ready and we'll be using it in addition with little salt for our French fries chips. And in case you are not using all the spice at once, package the remnants in an airtight container and store in a cool, dry place for later use. You can make this nice spice as well as your product brand. Package and supply to big shops, small shops, supermarkets, and even your local village market. But remember me in your kingdom when you start making money. Clean up about 10 tubers of Irish potato. This recipe is not restricted to Irish potatoes alone, but any other potato can go as well. Although I personally prefer Irish because of their neutral taste and slight heat resistant property when compared to other potatoes. but feel free to use what you have with caution. You can use knife or any peeling tools to remove the extraneous part of it. Then dip in an ice cold water and allow to soak for about 10 minutes. This is called cold blanching. This process helps to retain the real natural color of the Irish potato even after frying. And in case you're wondering why using cold water instead of hot water, both does the same job because it's all about lowering or increasing the temperature of the environment to make it unfit for the browning enzyme to thrive. But don't worry, you will know more as we progress. Remove one after the other and slice into finger-shaped pattern by cutting out a little slice off from the whole potato like so to gain balance. As you can see, then cut the rest of the potato into a flat shape pattern just like so. Yeah. Pick some of the flat potato and turn the flat surface upside down and cut into a rectangular finger-like shape and size pattern just like so. Oh my goodness, the uniformity of size and shape of this potato is real good, and the most amazing aspect of it is that the potato did not change color or look dark in any way. Repeat the cutting for the rest of the potato and re-soak into the cold ice water as we continue the cold blanching process. When it comes to processing potatoes, I prefer using cold blanching instead of heat treatment, as cold blanching does not cook the potato in any way, and the color retention of this method also is quite amazing, just as you can see. Cover with fin and allow for about 5 minutes time. Set your pot and oil at medium heat in preparation for hot blanching process, which helps to completely kill the browning enzyme. This hot blanching is necessary if you are storing the potato for a longer period of time. Once your oil is hot, insert the potato into the oil and allow to cook for about 10 seconds. Then scoop out of the oil immediately and allow to cool. At this stage, you can freeze and package the potato prior to use. But if not, please go ahead and fry to your brown coloration. But this time, increase your heat a bit to up to 50 to 60 degrees C and allow to fry until crunchy. Wow! Just take a good look at the decent color and crunchy appearance of these wonderful potato chips. And don't bother yourself spicing the potato chips because the already salted, spicy and granulated yagi sauce has done the job for you. All you have to do is to dip the potato into the yagi sauce and enjoy every part of your bites. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I wonder what you are waiting for. Subscribe, because in Salupe's Kitchen, we do it better. I'll see you in my next video.